Okay, Cody, come get me because I'm a burp. I can't do it.
Dude, you got it almost.
Hold on.
No, I gotta do more.
I got a good one. You better hold the camera.
Hold on. Oh, God.
Alright, I think we're good.